Airbag. Definition. An airbag is a passive safety device designed to inflate rapidly during a collision to protect the occupants from hitting hard surfaces inside the vehicle like the steering wheel, dashboard, or windows. Working principle. 1. Crash sensors detect a sudden deceleration or impact. 2. Within milliseconds, the Airbag Control Unit (ACU) sends a signal. 3. A chemical reaction ignites, rapidly producing nitrogen or argon gas. 4. The airbag inflates in less than 30 to 50 milliseconds. 5. After cushioning, it deflates through small vents. Main components. Component function. Crash sensors, accelerometers, detect collision. Airbag Control Unit (ACU) N27 processes signals and triggers airbag. Inflator creates gas to inflate the airbag. Airbag Module, Driver, Passenger, etc. Stores folded airbag. Clock spring transfers signal to airbag in steering wheel. Seatbelt Pretensioner N220 etc. Works with airbag to tighten seatbelt. Types of airbags in Mercedes Benz. Type location. Driver airbag steering wheel. Passenger airbag dashboard. Side airbags seats or doors. Curtain airbags roof rails above windows. Knee airbag below steering column. Rear passenger airbags rear seats or seat belts. Center airbag between front occupants, in new models. Airbag warning light on. If the SRS airbag warning light is on. Faulty sensor or clock spring. Poor connection under the seat, common issue. After the accident, module may be locked. Advantages of airbags. Pros. Prevents head, face injuries, cushions impact. Reduces fatalities up to 30 to 50%. Works with seat belts combined safety. Fast deployment, milliseconds, effective in severe crashes. Disadvantages. Cons. Costly to replace after deployment, 40,000 rupees minus 2 rupees lakh. Can cause burns or bruises from rapid inflation. Not reusable, only once per crash. Dangerous if children sit in front of airbags, can injure small kids. Extra note: Mercedes Benz. Mercedes uses multi-stage airbags, adaptive airbags, and seat occupancy sensors to improve effectiveness and reduce injuries.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to SPV AutoTech, the mechanical world. Like, share and comment.